10786, State of Texas versus Juan Rogelio Lozano. I have parties announced for the record for the state.
Daniel Escobar with the state of Texas.
Defense.
Robert Broma.
And are you Mr. Lozano?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea of no contest on January 26th. According to you, they were stated recommending community supervision. They are opposing their application for deferred education. So let's start with state. You're opposing the defendant's application for deferred education. That's the reason.
Yes, Judge, it's the facts of the case. During the course of what the defendant did was he went to a home and he fired several shots into the home. It's just due to the nature of the offense, Judge. It's the fact that he did fire several shots. He was found shortly thereafter. It's just we do take these matters extremely seriously.
Judge, he's 17. He has no criminal history. No criminal history as an adult. He's on going to school online. There was no injuries, no damage to the house. He made a mistake, but he had good in his family. His mother is here with him, and he stays with her. I think he'll do well on deferred. I just don't want him to just get a final conviction on his record if he serves it successfully.
And Judge, according to the police report, several shots did hit the home. It did burst several windows. People had to hit the deck.
All right. During this incident, were you living with your mom?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you shooting at her house?
Well, basically they jumped my brother and took all his money and everything.
So whatever happened, you picked up the phone call with the police.
I was just in like a bad time.
What does that mean you were having a bad time?
I was mad, angry.
So did you tell your mother this?
No, ma'am.
So why aren't you and your brother keeping secrets from your parents?
I'm not sure.
I mean, we're not pretty sure. Your attorney says this was a mistake, but you know what I say about mistakes? It's not a mistake. You made a bad choice.
Yes, ma'am.
So the question becomes, why are you making bad choices?
I wasn't in the right mindset.
How old is your brother?
26.
So you, who is younger than your 20-year-old brother, decides to shoot at a house because somebody may have jumped your brother and taken his money, but the 26-year-old does nothing.
Yes, ma'am.
That makes no sense to me. So what did your brother do?
Nothing.
Did he call the police?
No, ma'am.
So why do you feel it's your place to go shoot at a house?
I was just trying to help him.
I don't understand that. How far did you go in school?
12th grade.
When you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? You're already getting drug tested today.
Clean.
All right, when's the last time you used?
About 4 weeks ago.
And what are you using?
Marijuana.
What else?
That's it.
Why are you using marijuana shooting at houses and not graduating from high school?
I was about to graduate, but all this happened.
This was all according to this. The plaintiff doesn't know why he shot at her house. So is it a bunch of parents just letting their children run wild and do whatever they want to do? Because she's in her house with her child and you shoot at her. You know how old her child was?
No, ma'am.
Right. Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
No, Judge. No, Judge.
You want to call this mother?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is Juan Lozano, your son.
Yes, ma'am.
What are his issues?
He has mental issues, ma'am. He actually has his caseworker here. He sees a counselor, he sees a therapist. He's getting his medication. He has to get it through shot form because of the incident with the pills that he tried to. So they do him as a shot form. So he's not allowed to have any medications in the home or anything. But yes, he is seeing counseling. He is diagnosed with mental issues. He's bipolar. He has, and like I said, his caseworkers here from the counseling that he goes to see. He's been seeing them for quite a while. He's trying to do his school through GEDs. He's with me. I'm constantly watching him. He's 24 hours with me. So he's trying, he made a bad mistake, and yes, we do talk, and we know, I mean, I know you can tell listen, I'm the one who kind of helps him out a lot. So we're reaching out to anything that he needs as far as help. So
All right, any questions, Sam?
No, Judge.
No, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, this is what the court is gonna do. I'm gonna send you to 8 years deferred adjudication. Oh, and say, I'm sorry, you have six, but I didn't use convert. $750 fine, that will be prorated. Defendant is to continue with mental health treatment. Defendant is to obtain GED and probation. You can do that, the GED, the job counseling, that can be done for Christmas. They're already doing that. And I'm going to say that you need to have employment. I'm going to say within 90 days, but if you're able to get it before then, yeah, I think you need to make sure you stabilize your person.
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Mixed supervision. And again, you can coordinate that with Christus. There's to be no contact with Priscilla. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. The court is going to require anger management. And if you complete the anger management course, if you have to complete,
Sure.
and if you get your GED, then the community service hours will be waived. All right, is there anything else you need the court to be successful?
No.
All right, Mr. Lozano, in this courtroom, communication is key to be successful on probation. You need to make sure you stay in contact with your case manager, make sure you stay in contact with probation. There's something you need, ask your probation officer. If you feel like they're not addressing your concerns, you can always walk into the courtroom. I'm here Monday through Friday, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. I think you.
On Lozano? Right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same one, Rogelio Lozano, who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 10786 for the offense of deadly conduct firearm on March 23rd, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you? All right, state.
On or about the 24th day of September 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Juan Rogelio Lozano, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court supervision officer in violation of condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
You understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, the recommendation of supervision office of initiative, include reporting for 60 days. But denied.
Sorry, agreement, Judge.
All right, and why should I follow this agreement?
Why should you follow the recommendation, Your Honor?
Yes.
I think the state has had an opportunity to review his history, mental health history, and just the opportunities. I've spoken with this young man. You know, I've been impressed with his candor, with his humbleness, Your Honor. And I just think he's got a long way to go on probation, and he needs this help. He was denied originally for the mental health initiative, but they want to screen him while he's in jail and make sure that this is an opportunity for him.
All right, so even though the state waived it, which I don't understand why the state waived it, I don't know how we can help somebody if they don't show up to report. So it's alleged that he didn't report. So why is he not showing up to report?
Well, I think I don't have an answer for that, Your Honor. I can tell you that I think it's all part of the situation that he needs help.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. So what has been going on in your life since the court placed you on probation?
Well, man, I've been homeless and I've been staying at the Haven for Hope. So, but now I got my support back, my family. I'm staying with my grandpa now. I'm working with him. I got all my stuff, clothes, all that. So I'm doing good now.
All right, so why didn't you check in with probation and tell them what was going on in your life?
Well, I haven't had a chance to go because I have no money or nothing. But now that I'm working with him, I can take the bus and everything. It's really far from where I'm at in South Side to him.
But I mean, you said you were at Haven for Hope.
Yes, sir.
I think they'll provide a bus pass. So I'm just trying to figure
I'll
out.
try to get that from them, but they didn't. I even went to the reentry place. They never gave me.
So did they give you opportunity to call probation on the phone?
Yes.
And did you call?
No.
Why not?
I never really knew her number. I never really looked it up.
This is what the court is going to do. I'll deny the motion. I'm going to follow the probation's recommendation to have you reevaluate it for the mental health initiative. And that's going to take place in custody. So you say you're staying with your grandfather? So counsel, will you make him aware of what has happened today? All right, so what we'll do, and counsel, if you can remain on the case, we're going to have him evaluated in custody. If he's not accepted, then we'll have him brought back to court.
Absolutely.
Is there anything else you need?
No, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Nobody can help you if you don't call anybody. In this court, it's easy to get in touch with probation. In this court, if you're supposed to be in touch with your probation officer and you can't get in touch with them and they're picking up and you're homeless and you don't have access to VIA because it's too far, you can always call the court's number and they will get to me and say, you're unable to reach your probation officer, and we will make sure that you're able to reach your probation officer. All right, is there anything else you need in order to help you be successful?
No, ma'am. I'm doing pretty good now. Now that I got my place with my grandpa, I'm working with him. It's going good.
All right.
I think the key, if that all falls apart, your solution is to stay in contact with probation. Like I said, if they were offered $1 million, you'd have found that place.
Okay. All right, thank you so much. ER 10786, State versus Juan Lozano. Can I have parties announced?
Defendant for the state of Texas.
Bridget Gossett for defense.
And are you Juan Lozano?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Juan Lozano who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 10786 for the offense of deadly conduct, discharging a firearm on March 23rd, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violation condition number 1 on or about the 19th day of December 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Juan Rogelio Lozano, committed the offense of assault in violation condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, that is to grant the state's motion, revoke the defendant's probation, adjudicate him guilty, and sentence the defendant to 4 years to DC.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor. That's our agreement.
All right, so what I can tell both parties, 1, I don't have to follow any agreements that have been reached because this is the contract with the court. Now, what I see here is that there were concerns. That's why the court ordered a mental health evaluation. That's why the court ordered him to DDRF. He didn't qualify for DDRF because everybody knows DDRF, either you need too much help or you need too little help. You have to just hit it just right to be accepted. So obviously there are issues that he has, and I don't know if the court has the ability to address that. So if somebody has information for the court that can address the issues that he have, I'll continue him. If y'all don't have those issues, I'll follow your agreement. Because it appears to the court that there may be some capacity issue and some mental health issues going on here.
At the time of the incident, he does need a structured environment because of his mental health issues. The original offer from the probation department was for him to go to state ISF. Although I did not have a recommendation from the state, but because the original offer from state ISF from his original probation officer, I'm assuming that that recommendation was based upon what the court has just mentioned, the mental issues that he was having. Unfortunately, he did not qualify for DDRF. And since then, the mental health issues have not been addressed. Probation department just did provide the report when he was screened. And when he was interviewed, he denied having any mental health issues. But it's my position that he denied having mental health issues because he has mental health issues. I have spoken to his mother, who's here present in the court, and he was being treated for bipolar schizophrenia, and he was attending crystal counseling. The crystal counseling was canceled because Medicaid wasn't paying for it any longer. And his counselor there was Mr. Mike. Based upon that new information, Judge, we are asking the court to give Mr. Lozano some treatment. And it's our position that ISF would be best for the cognitive issues that he has.
These are your options. One, I'll deny the motion, alternate amend conditions for local ISF. You're going to be in limbo until that case is taken care of. Or number two, I'll sentence you to 2 years.
Can I have just 1 second?
Sure.
No,
All right, so those are your options. One, I'll deny the motion, alternate amend conditions to ISF. I'm taking under consideration the fact that the defense counsel has in their possession proof that you previously were seeing a doctor for mental health issues. Or I'll sentence you to 2 years.
He wants to go to inpatient treatment. And just to clarify, the state offered to dismiss the new number one if he pled true. And so I believe the state will dismiss the new number one.
All right. All right, thank you. So the court will deny the motion, alternate amend conditions to include local ISF. This is going to take place in custody. There's going to be an evaluation for the mental health caseload, local ISF, ISP. There's to be no contact with the complainant. If he wants to have contact with you, he'll need to come and let the court know. Sure. And probation, also a referral to Center for Healthcare Services if it's needed. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, good luck to you. Stay in contact with probation and be honest on the evaluations.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
God bless.